Basic HVAC tools. Every beginner technician should know. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn about some of the most important HVAC tools that every beginner technician should know. Whether you are an HVAC student, an apprentice, or someone who has just started working in the air conditioning and refrigeration field, understanding these tools is essential for safe and effective work. Using the right tools not only makes the job easier, but also improves accuracy, reduces mistakes, and helps technicians diagnose and repair HVAC systems properly. So, let's explore 6 basic HVAC tools that every beginner should become familiar with. Manifold gauge set. One of the most important tools in HVAC is the manifold gauge set. This tool is used to measure refrigerant pressure in air conditioning and refrigeration systems. It helps technicians diagnose system performance and identify problems such as low refrigerant charge, restrictions, or abnormal operating conditions. A standard manifold gauge set usually consists of 2 pressure gauges and 3 hoses. The blue gauge measures the low side pressure, while the red gauge measures the high side pressure. The center hose is commonly used for vacuum pumps, refrigerant charging, or recovery machines. Technicians use manifold gauges during installation, servicing, and troubleshooting. However, beginners should remember that pressure readings alone should not be used to determine refrigerant charge. Proper diagnosis also requires temperature measurements and manufacturer specifications. Clamp meter. The clamp meter is another essential HVAC tool. It is mainly used to measure electrical current without disconnecting the wires. This makes it safer and more convenient than some traditional testing methods. HVAC technicians use clamp meters to check compressor amperage, fan motor current, and electrical loads within the system. Many modern clamp meters can also measure voltage, resistance, continuity, and capacitance. For beginners, learning how to use a clamp meter properly is very important because electrical troubleshooting is a major part of HVAC work. Always follow electrical safety procedures and ensure that the meter is set to the correct function before testing. Vacuum pump. A vacuum pump is used to remove air, moisture, and other non-condensable gases from the refrigeration system before refrigerant is released into the piping. This step is extremely important because moisture inside the system can react with refrigerants and oils, leading to acid formation, corrosion, and compressor damage. Air trapped in the system can also reduce efficiency and increase operating pressures. The vacuum process should never be skipped during installation. Professional technicians typically evacuate the system to the manufacturer's recommended vacuum level before charging or releasing refrigerant. Tube cutter. Copper tubing is commonly used in HVAC systems, and a tube cutter is the preferred tool for cutting these pipes. Unlike hacksaws, tube cutters produce clean and precise cuts with minimal burr formation. This helps ensure better connections and reduces the chance of contamination entering the system. When using a tube cutter, technicians should avoid applying excessive pressure too quickly, as this can deform the tubing. After cutting, it is good practice to remove any burrs from the inside of the pipe using an appropriate deburring tool. Flaring tool. A flaring tool is used to create a flared end on copper tubing. These flared connections are commonly found in split air conditioning systems, where refrigerant pipes connect to indoor and outdoor units. Proper flaring is critical because poor quality flares can result in refrigerant leaks. Before making a flare, technicians should ensure that the tubing end is clean, smooth, and cut squarely. The correct flare size and torque specifications should always be followed according to the manufacturer's recommendations. For beginners, practicing flare-making techniques can significantly improve installation quality and reduce future service issues. Multimeter. The multimeter is one of the most versatile tools in the HVAC industry. It is used to measure electrical parameters such as voltage, resistance, and continuity. Technicians commonly use multimeters to check power supply voltage, test fuses, verify switch operation, and troubleshoot electrical circuits. Some advanced multimeters also include features for measuring capacitance and temperature. Since HVAC systems contain many electrical components, understanding how to use a multimeter correctly is an essential skill for every technician. Safety should always come first when working with electricity. Power should be isolated whenever possible, and proper testing procedures should be followed. Why these tools matter? These 6 tools form the foundation of an HVAC technician's toolkit. The manifold gauge helps assess refrigerant system performance. The clamp meter and multimeter assist with electrical diagnostics. The vacuum pump protects system reliability, and the tube cutter and flaring tool ensure high-quality piping work. Mastering these basic tools gives beginners the confidence to perform installations, maintenance tasks, and troubleshooting procedures more effectively. Conclusion: every successful HVAC technician starts by learning the proper use of basic tools. Understanding when and how to use a manifold gauge, clamp meter, vacuum pump, tube cutter, flaring tool, and multimeter will help beginners develop strong technical skills and avoid common mistakes. Remember, owning the tools is not enough. The real skill comes from learning the correct techniques, following safety procedures, and gaining practical experience over time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HVAC training videos, troubleshooting guides, refrigeration lessons, and technical education content.